ALFA GATE. ALFA GATE is a global leader in dental implants. Since 1996, over 1 million new teeth have been implanted. ALFA GATE offers clients the most advanced dental technology. Third-generation implants are coated with synthetic bone, specially designed to speed bone growth around the implant, creating a stronger attachment to the bone. This new process saves on additional surgery and is more pain-free than other treatments. Dental implant production at ALFA GATE starts with titanium bars that are first cut into pegs of various lengths. Then a high-precision CNC machine creates the threading on one side. The threading must pass stringent optical testing, both visual and electronic. After a special cutter creates the base for the implant, which is then cleaned and sterilised before being vacuum packed with its own individual certification. The implants are then packaged in rigid boxes to protect them and are ready for export to one of the agents in the company's international marketing network. ALFA GATE's secret to success is the family teamwork at the company. 3 of the founders' sons are dentists and a 4th is a family physician. The family atmosphere is a part of every aspect of the company's operations. ALFA GATE exports to 43 countries, to which it also provides technical support and advice, sometimes even in the middle of surgery, along with a commitment to continue maintaining a cutting edge in the dental implants industry. ALFA GATE.